Well, today, on How Long Will It Last, we have a Chevy Aveo. Now, this thing here is a hunk of junk. It's got super low K, it's only got 100,000 K on it-ish, but it's got some problems. There's the hood latch. Can you get it in there, Zach? There we go. So I actually kind of like this car. I've been driving around my property now for about 6 or 7 days, and it's got some issues. It burns oil. The guy we bought it off told us that it burns oil bad, so there's a negative already for it. It's a 5-speed, so it's kind of fun. We've been jumping it, as you can tell. Go for it, dummy.
Hey there! Fucking go!
So as I was saying, this has been a fun little car, but it's time to see how long it will last. It kind of revs a little high, so I'm a little nervous of actually doing it, because if it revs at 2,000, when all the other ones have been idling at like 750 RPMs, then it kind of gives a biased remark. But let's face it, this thing's already pooched. So let's go see how the S10 did on how long it will last, because we'd like to give away the prizes for last week. Remember, guys, if you win, you guys have to give me your address. I have no idea where to send the prizes to if you guys don't tell me your addresses. So, remember, if you win, give me your address. Well, welcome back to the Wall of No Oil. And we are here with the results of the 2000 S10 with the 4.3 liter V6. A lot of you guys have put guesses, and some of your guesses range everything from 5 minutes. I think there was even a guess for 7 hours. So the real spot where this thing ends up is right there. 4 hours, 42 minutes. So now we're going to go through the comments and see who is the closest and who wins the prize this week, which is another Demolition Derby Hot Wheels car. Let's find out who the winner is. So here we are, guys. There's some very close guesses this week. Our time is 4 hours, 42 minutes. So the winning guess is actually 4 hours, 44 minutes. Now another guy guessed 4 hours and 44 minutes and 44 seconds. So unfortunately, because the other guy is closer by 44 seconds, I'm going to give him the prize. So we had some really good guesses in here. Some got, like, you guys were getting really close. So we have Tyler Shank at 4 hours, 44 minutes, and 42 seconds. So he is 2 minutes and 44 seconds over. We have Jonathan Buckley at 4 hours and 44 minutes. I think you are the winner, my friend. You are 2 minutes over. We have some other very tight guesses here. Like 4 hours, 20 minutes from ET8597. 4 hours, 35 minutes from Devin. Very close. You guys, 4 hours, 20 minutes from Stock Lumina. 4 hours, 47 minutes. So you are only 5 minutes off Tommy J. Very close. But honestly, guys, the winner this week is going to be 4 hours, 44 minutes, and that is guessed by Jonathan Buckley. You are the winner, my friend. Please get in touch with me either on here. It's much harder for me to find you guys on YouTube when you comment to actually give away your prizes. But if you get a hold of me on Zach's Workshop on Facebook, I will get you guys the prizes. And thank you, everybody, for playing. Make sure you get your guesses in for that little Aveo outside, because I'm going to be giving away a prize next week as well, guys. So stay tuned, and thanks very much for watching. Let's get back to the Aveo. So this oil pan's already got cracks in it. See all the cracks? So you can tell this thing's been smashed up pretty good. There we go, she's running out. Let's start the timer. Okay, timer started. Oil's running out. that bothers me about this car is that it's revving at 2,000-ish. So we're not going to get a full report. If it makes you feel any better, it's already started knocking. We're only 28 seconds in. Oh God, that sounds horrible. Guys, get your guesses in now because I don't think this thing's going to last very long. Oh my goodness, those sounds are just horrible coming out of this thing. So this car is actually made in Korea, so this was a Daewoo as well. So, I don't know, we've never had a Daewoo one here before. You guys can see the tire's still turning. It's a manual, so it's in neutral, it's just the resistance inside the transmission. I don't have it in gear trying to bog it down. So, we're still running the timer, let's see how long this thing lasts. This motor just completely changed. It was a high revving, kind of messed up, unhappy car. Now the idle's just dropped down. Like it was 2,000. She's idling at 750 RPM right now. And it sounds much healthier. Maybe it was just a warm-up thing? I don't know, but she's got no oil in it at all. Still running, timer's still going, so get your guesses in, everybody. You win, you guess the right time, you win, you get the prize. So it just died. I was just removing the brakes. I was right here. I seen it die. Stop the timer instantly. Let's see if she'll refire. If she refires, I'll start the timer again. If I don't have to touch the gas. She refired. I restarted the timer. I didn't have to touch the gas pedal at all. Here she goes. Hey, Pop. It is now stalled for the second time. I'm going to do it once more. If it refires without touching the gas pedal, then it will continue the timer. If not, then it's sudden death. Going again. I've restarted the timer. This time if it stalls, that is it. That is the third try. Well guys, that is it. It has had 3 attempts at restarting at idle and it's been kind of a pathetic showing, but now it's sudden death, so I'm going to do a sudden death time. So what we're going to do is we're going to start it up, we're going to rev it until she kind of doesn't want to do it anymore. sudden death went half decent. There's a big hole out the bottom of the oil pan right now. There's like an explosion somewhere.